All right, what's up guys? My name's Jake Howarth here. I'm a brown belt out of Ronin Training Center under Vitor Oliveira. We're gonna go through a series of techniques called Bijo Breakdown. We're gonna be focused on NoGi techniques. A couple of my credentials, multiple time Pan bronze medalist. I medaled at bronze at the Worlds in 2021. Former collegiate wrestler, so let's take a look. Hey guys, want to look at another setup to get behind my opponent here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hit a slide by. So wrestling technique works really great in jiu-jitsu. So I'm gonna come in here, collar tie with my opponent. I'm gonna have my top right arm. I'm gonna start to push it on the inside of Chris's neck. Here, I'm going to walk into him to force him to start pressuring back. As he pressures back, my top arm is gonna grab the inside of his tricep and I'm gonna start pulling him across, keeping this claw grip nice and tight. From here, I can switch to a rear body lock, stepping to the outside, and we're gonna look to mat return. So I'm gonna lift my hips and let it down easy. From here, I let go of the rear body lock, switching to my seatbelt.